Gardening in the South Island in July can be challenging, but we also have some absolutely stunning days where it just really makes you want to get in the garden and get those jobs done. Here are some ideas of what you can do in your own garden in July. Well, now's a good time to plant Daphne, which will give you amazing fragrance in the springtime. I love Daphne. There's nothing nicer than going out in spring and just picking a few sprigs and taking them inside. Perfume Princess is a classic example. Bred in New Zealand, it's robust, it has masses of pretty pink and white flowers from July to September. Come in store and we'll help you pick the right one for your backyard. Now's a really good time to plant roses. Whether you like standards, whether you like bush, whether you like climbers, we have a huge range in store for you to pick from. Hellebores are another great plant to plant now. They're starting to come into their own, they're starting to flower. They make a great show on those shady areas of your garden. And don't forget our perfect plant promise. All our plants, except seedlings, are guaranteed for 12 months. If you're not 100% happy, return your plant with receipt or tax invoice and we'll refund it. Now's a really good time to start thinking about planting things like your spinach, your kale, your leafy greens and your silver beets. In July there's always plenty to pick in the garden. You've got parsnip, you've got cabbage, spinach, Brussels sprouts, cauliflower and kale. We are going to have some amazingly fine frosty days and that is a wonderful time to get out and we'll start pruning some roses. Don't be scared about pruning roses, they love a good cutback. For more details, see our how-to video. Lay snail bait to keep those pests at bay and protect any tender plants in containers. Put them somewhere warm and protected for winter. So there you have it, there's plenty to do in the garden in July. And if you've got any questions, just call into one of your local Bunnings and talk to one of our garden experts. Click here for more gardening advice or click here to go back to the website.